Welcome back. In this video, we'll take a look at an SFTP-based integration for automatically transferring meter readings into Attune EAM. The objective of this integration is to eliminate manual meter reading entry by allowing meter data to be provided through a source file, processed automatically, and then reflected against the appropriate assets in EAM. Let's start with the source file. The file contains the information required to update meter readings, including the organization, asset reference, and the corresponding meter value. For this demonstration, we're working with meter readings for buses. The integration is handled through Databridge Pro, which connects the external SFTP location with Attune EAM. The process begins when the source file is placed in the configured SFTP location. Databridge Pro identifies the available file and retrieves it for processing. Once the file is received, the integration processes the incoming data and applies the required validation and transformation. This ensures that the meter information is in the correct format and can be successfully processed by Attune EAM. After the processing is complete, the transformed meter data is sent to EAM, where the reading is applied to the corresponding asset. Now let's move into Attune EAM and verify the result. For our first example, we're using asset bus 015. In the meter readings section, we can see the existing meter history, with the meter configured in kilometers. After the integration processes the source file, we can see that a new meter reading has been added for this asset. For bus 015, the new meter reading is 781 kilometers. EAM also calculates and displays the corresponding reading from the previous meter reading, based on the difference. This confirms that the value from the external source file has successfully traveled through the complete integration flow and has been reflected in the asset's meter history. Let's verify the same process with another asset. Here we're using bus 013. The meter information for this asset is also received through the SFTP integration and processed by Databridge Pro. Once the integration completes, the corresponding meter reading is updated in EAM for bus 013 as well. This demonstrates that the integration is not limited to a single asset and can process meter readings for multiple assets through the same automated flow. So, to summarize, the process starts with meter data being generated by the source system and placed on the SFTP server. Databridge Pro retrieves the file, processes and validates the incoming information, performs the required transformation, and sends the data to Attune EAM. EAM then updates the meter readings against the appropriate assets, as demonstrated with bus 015 and bus 013. This approach reduces manual data entry, provides a consistent and repeatable integration process, and helps keep asset usage information up to date within the EAM system. That's the complete SFTP-based meter reading integration with Attune EAM. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more integration and customization examples.